Now I want to tell you how to find the intercept form, that is how to find the equation of a straight line if it is cutting off the intercepts of the length a and b units on the x-axis and y-axis. Situation will be like this, that this is the line whose equation we will need to calculate, and this line is cutting off an intercept of a unit on x-axis and b unit on y-axis. A unit on x-axis and b unit on y-axis. So the equation is given by x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. This is known as purely intercept form, because the first one where slope was given and the intercept was given, the result in that case was y is equal to mx plus c. This was slope intercept form, whereas this x upon a plus y upon b is only intercept form. If I ask you that what are the coordinates of this point a comma 0, because on x-axis always y is 0. What are the coordinates of this point? Say this is a, this is b. Coordinates will be 0 comma b, because on y-axis x is always 0. So ultimately you can relate it is a kind of 2-point form, because coordinates of the one point are given, coordinate of other point are given. So if even you apply 2-point form, you will find the answer will be x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. And this is not intercept form, this is slope intercept form, first form. If I explain you one of the example, that a line is cutting off the intercepts of the length -2 and 3 units. This intercept is of -2 units and here the intercept is of 3 units. Then what is the equation of the line? We know that it is x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. That we can say x upon -2 plus y upon 3 is equals to 1. This is the equation of the line, or we can simplify, we can say it will be -3x plus 2y is equals to 6, or we can say 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0. The most simplified form of the straight line if it cuts off intercepts of -2 and 3 units on x-axis and y-axis.